Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw right hand side view, front view, top view and right hand side view. So as I said, we'll draw front view, top view and right hand side view in first angle. Observer will see from here. So length, width and height, he has to draw. Length is 30, width is 30 and height is 20. So first we will draw layout. In front view we'll take length and height. In top view length and breadth. And in side view breadth and height. After that, when you see from the front, you will see this part. See this. So we'll draw this part as well as the triangle which we can see from the front. So we'll take dimensions 10 and we'll draw this slope, and the behind part we will get it directly. After that, if you see in top view, this L shape is like this. See this. This corner is here, right? If you see from the top, you will see this L shape. So we need to draw that, and we need to draw a rectangle. So we'll project from front view and we'll complete L shape and the rectangle part. Now for side view, we will take lines from top view. Now when you see from the side, you will see this rectangle, as well as you will see the behind rectangle also. Both will appear as a rectangle. So in side view you will have two rectangles. See this. So do that. After that we'll do dimensioning. Thank you.